Big news that's coming in right now in connection to the drama and chaos in the Delhi Assembly. The Aam Aadmi Party has now staged a protest against the BJP with Atishi accusing the party of being anti-Dalit and anti-Sikh. She's alleged that the BJP removed portraits of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Shahid Bhagat Singh from the Assembly. Meanwhile, Speaker Vijayendra Gupta has hit back accusing Aam Aadmi Party of deliberately disrupting proceedings of the House. My colleague Kritika joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Kritika, now the drama and chaos witnessed in the Delhi Assembly new government were the same old ruckus as far as the Delhi Assembly is concerned, and looks like the next 5 years will be full of this.
Well, absolutely. Remember, this was just the first day of the 8th Legislative Assembly of Delhi, and today itself we are seeing a furor, in fact, inside the House. Earlier, the former Chief Minister Atishi had taken out a protest in front of the room of the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta over the disbursement of the 2,500 rupee promise to a cash transfer. There was a promise by, in fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well to the women of Delhi. So this was one of the chief demands that the first protest was about. And second, the Aam Aadmi Party had also put up pictures of how in Rekha Gupta's room, in the Chief Minister's room, the photographs of Bhagat Singh and of Dr. Ambedkar have been removed and replaced with the pictures of Mahatma Gandhi, of the Prime Minister, as well as of the President. Now what we're hearing is that the Aam Aadmi Party is alleging an anti-Dalit and an anti-Sikh stance against the BJP. The BJP in the House proceedings have in fact hit back at Aam Aadmi Party. Harish Khurana, the MLA from Moti Nagar, had in fact said that this is the same Aam Aadmi Party that used to stifle any voices from the opposition when they were in power, send the opposition, the 8 MLAs out of the House, and they do not have, they could not remember Dr. Ambedkar at that point, and so they do not have any right to remember him now. So this is definitely one of the first clashes that we are witnessing in the House. The House so far has been adjourned till 11 a.m. tomorrow, which will then begin with an address from the Delhi governor. But so far we're seeing intense back and forth as well, whether it is over the Mahila Samman Yojana scheme or now over the anti-Dalit or the anti-Sikh charge here in the parliament as well. Even as the very last proceedings were going on, even as the motion of thanks was being said by the Speaker of the House, by Mr. Vijayendra Gupta, even before that there was constant ruckus that was in the House with the Aam Aadmi Party protesting against the removal of those pictures. Over to you, Ashish.
Absolutely, Kritika. Appreciate joining us on the broadcast. In fact, viewers, before we move over to the other story, let's give you a sneak peek of what exactly happened in the Delhi Assembly.
माइक खोले मुख्यमंत्री खोलिए माइक सबके माइक खोलिए उनको आप सबके माइक खोलिए आप माइक का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं ये सदन को डिस्टर्ब करने आए हैं और इनकी अराजकता के खिलाफ ये कहना है सदन में आवाज उठनी चाहिए
Getting right now, Delhi Assembly has been adjourned till 11 a.m. tomorrow, and